Ungrafted cacao. Ungrafted cacao. Now we are going to side graft this cacao. So maybe here up to 1 feet. Just a cut, no? A cut. All right, just like that. This one also supposed to be like this. Pili kayo ng magandang clone guys na grafted din. So saan galing to? Saan galing ito? Sa grafted din siya, no? Grafted cacao din siya. Malakas ang munga. Ayan, no? 1 inch tapos kalahating inch sa likod. Tapos dapat may bad eye, no? Bad eye, pencil size. Then so I'm going to wrap this one. Wrap natin to, no? By grafting tape. Yan. Para hindi siya matuyo. Hindi siya ma-dehydrate. Avoid dehydration. Then all the way up. Yeah. Wrap na siya, wrap. Then insert lang. Just like that, no? Just like that. Insert. Then maybe you can remove a little bit, no? Ayan. Then grafting tape. Better you can buy from the Lazada, Shopee, from online store. Yeah. 8 cm grafting tape. Cover it properly from the bottom. Yan. Going up. And that's it. That's it. That's it. This is how we do the side grafting. The side grafting technique. And cover it with plastic. Cover it with plastic cellophane, no? Mababasa ang ulan, no? Coveran natin, mga kalaber. Let's cover it. Hindi lang siya mabasa. Yan, no? Hindi lang mabasa yung sayo natin. Saya natin siya, magpapawis diyan sa loob. Pero hindi siya basa sa ulan. Ayan. 21 days, pwede natin tanggalin. No? After 21 days, remove the plastic. And let the side shoots grow. Ayan na. Easy. So side grafting, then after na tumubo na siya, no? Cut. Putulin natin dito.